Hello, I'm here with the quick tutorial for Super Simple Christmas number 4. And I'm just gonna do the quick flip through for you. If you want the full tutorial, check down below. I printed everything in this kit on regular paper, except for page, I believe it's 3. It's the one that has these tiny pockets. I printed that on a lightweight cardstock just because this will kind of see a lot of wear because of the way it is located. So let's just do a quick flip through of how this looks when it's done. So first of all, I'm going to show you how it goes into the journal. So when you put this in your journal, you're going to glue it in on these 3 sides, keeping that side open because it's going to be a tuck spot. So there you go. Now I can remove this and show you what we have. All right. So this is how it would look in your journal. You have this side right here with 3 pockets, and each of these have a couple of fun little journaling tucks. You could write on the backs of them or mount them and do some extra journaling, just whatever you want. That opens up and you have just different colors, but the same kind of layout with these extra little tucks and fun things there. Let's see, then we have this collage over here that we created, and that's just a circle tuck right here. So this is tucked in behind. You have, this is already in the kit, some journaling there. A fun little journaling tuck right here. And some journaling on the back of there. That tucks right in. And then when you pull this little tuck out, you have this beautiful image and some journaling in there. It's because this has become a pocket. And on the back of that, you also have a photo mat or a place for more journaling. So tons of spaces to write or add extra little images or whatever you want. But that's it. Christmas Super Simple number 4. So I hope you're enjoying this series. I'm cranking them out as fast as I can. And I hope you're all enjoying this season and feeling lots of love. So we will talk to you later, and thank you for watching. Bye.